Welcome back to Investing Easy. In this video, we're going to see the retirement plan of Priya, a 24-year-old financial analyst from London, UK. We're going to see what works, what doesn't, and what kind of changes we can make to make sure her retirement is in good shape. And at the end of this video, you're going to get some key takeaways that you can use for your own retirement plan as well. Let's check it out. Priya is 24 and wants to step back from her current role in the financial sector around the age of 50 in order to help manage her family's business. Her family has worked hard to build what they've got today, and they want to pass the torch on to her as they get older. Fair enough. Priya has been offered a new role at a different bank that has a similar salary but a double pension matching benefit. So every pound that she puts into her pension pot, they will double it and put in two. She wants to know what difference this makes over the long term in terms of pension, in terms of investments, and her ability to step back from that financial career in order to help out her family. Let's simulate it to find out. As a 24-year-old female, Priya has a life expectancy of around 82 years old. Now, through her employer, she has a 5% salary sacrifice scheme. So in her case, that's around £5,000 per year that comes off of her paycheck into her pension pot, which they match on a one-to-one basis with her current employer. Plus, in addition, she does £20,000 per year, good for her, that she puts into a stocks and shares ISA. The new role she's been offered has a double pension matching scheme, which means that for every $5,000 that she puts into her pension pot as a salary sacrifice, her employer will put in $10,000 rather than just $5,000. Because of the industry she's in with high income earning potential, Priya expects that she can increase her contributions to her savings and investments around 10% per year. When she's finished with banking, Priya wants to travel and donate to charity, so she expects she'll be spending around £5,000 per month, that's £60,000 per year, in order to fund that lifestyle. Now, at this income level, over 29% of her money will be going to His Majesty in taxes, so she will need to be drawing down over £84,000 a year in order to fund this lifestyle before taxes are taken off. As usual, I've included a link in the description below where you can calculate your own tax rate, in this case for the United Kingdom. And as a UK taxpayer, Priya will receive state pension benefits, in her case around £10,600 per year, starting from age 68. This income is indexed to inflation, so as the cost of living goes up, so too the state pension benefits go up as well. Now that we've got all our inputs, we want to know how much benefit that new job offer with the extra pension matching benefit will make for her financial plan. So all her investments will be subject to the ups and downs of the stock market that could happen in any given year. This is why we need to simulate this, and we do it thousands and thousands of times to get the full picture of what could happen for her financial future. With her current employer's pension matching benefit, Priya has a 71% chance of not running out of money by her age of life expectancy. That's already looking pretty good. But if she goes with the new job offer from the new employer that has the double pension matching benefit, her odds will increase up to 86%. That's a big improvement. Now, what if she wants to increase her retirement budget or have money left over when she passes away to pass along to family or to a foundation? If Priya increases her retirement spending budget from £60,000 to £66,000 per year, it means that she will need to increase the drawdown from her pension pot and from her savings and investments to almost £98,000 per year because of the UK's relatively high tax rates. Now, even at this higher withdrawal rate, almost £100,000 a year of withdrawals from her pension pot, our simulation shows that she will still have a 77% chance of not running out of money by the time she passes away. Alternatively, instead of increasing her spending budget during retirement, she could plan to donate that extra money to family or to a charity when she passes away. In this case, there's a 75% chance that she will have at least £2.3 million left over and a 50% chance of having at least £7.2 million left over to leave as a legacy gift. As always, Priya should continue checking in on this plan regularly as she gets older in case her financial circumstances may change. I'd recommend updating the numbers about once a year to continually give a more informed view of how much savings she can expect to have later in life. All right, we'll call it a wrap on Priya's retirement plan. Leave a comment if you think the numbers are realistic, and don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel out so we can keep helping you make investing easy. We'll see you next time.